on your Nautilus X41 device, a few things just to have settings, just have correct, okay? So the first thing is on your home screen, when you click right to remove this option where the news feed comes up, keep your finger pressed on a blank part of the main screen and click home settings and show Google app, turn that off, okay? So that's the first thing. The next thing is swipe your finger up from the base of the screen upwards, go to settings and scroll down through this list. First one is apps and notifications. Scroll down, click notifications, scroll down to advanced and scroll down to the bottom. Your default notification sound should be on none and do not disturb you should turn on, okay, so it should be on. The next thing is on settings, you scroll down, display advanced, screen timeout, 10 minutes of activity should be the minimum. Your font size should be set to the largest. And then scroll down again and advanced features. This may be called user define, USER DEFINE on your device. Okay, depends on the Android if it's 9 or 11. So in the newer device it's called advanced features. Okay, two things. One, that navigation bar that appears at the bottom, the circle, the triangle and the square, you want that to remove that, okay? And the second thing, in function key settings, what I would suggest doing in the top left physical key is the home button. I would make the home button back. So I'd make the home button back. And the top right button, which is back, I would make that enter. So you can see I have back put in as enter, okay? So top left becomes back and top right becomes enter. The other thing I would suggest doing is making your F1 the up arrow button and F2 down arrow. So F1, enter it as D-pad up, and F2, D-pad down. So that means that you can use your up and down arrow keys, okay? Okay. Okay. So that means when you go on to your test, okay, it means if you disable your touchscreen, you can use your arrow keys F1 and F2 to navigate to. So if I want to add an animal, I click up, click enter, type in 3 months. I can scan a barcode, or I can just type in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 on the physical keypad. 1, 2. Okay, so I can use the physical keys to navigate through everything during my test. Once I'm finished my test, I tend to go on to reports. I tend to use the touchscreen. Okay, but that will be a useful feature to create an arrow key using F1 and F2 buttons.